Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, let me show you how to use your Subway coupons on the app. Now if you have coupons that you have and you want to use it on the app, here's how you can go ahead and use this. Now first of all, open up the Subway app and then go ahead and start making your purchase by clicking on Start Order /menu right here. And then just go ahead and make your usual order. Say for example, I've chosen this Notorious BMT, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add this into my order. Now for us to go ahead and add our Subway coupon, all we need to do is to go to our basket or to our checkout. So go ahead and click on the Subway bag on the top right here, and then you should be able to see your order right here. For us to go ahead and add our coupons, scroll all the way down and you should be able to see that promo code. Now this will be either a physical coupon or an online coupon, but you should be able to see some form of code on this coupon, and then just go ahead and apply it here, and then just go ahead and paste the promo code here and then click on apply, and then your promo code will be there. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.